Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Madhvi, yours Maddie, and I am doing a sit down video today after a really long time, and this video is actually one of the most requested video with me. So I have done my homework and today's video is transfusion medicine as a branch. I know I'm already late because NEET का second round already हो चुका है and INI का counseling भी चल ही रहा है. So yeah, but I think you're never late to start. I am here to give my POV on transfusion medicine as a branch. So let's start the video. Or if you know transfusion medicine, you will just think that it's like blood banking in the sense that आप blood collect कर रहे हो और उसको store करके रख रहे हो और कैसे भी patient को वो blood पहुंचा रहे हो. But the idea is very vast behind it, because blood पेशेंट तक पहुंचाने के लिए और एनी कंपोनेंट पेशेंट तक पहुंचाने के लिए देयर इज अ लॉट व्हिच गोज बिहाइंड द सीन. आई एम नॉट गना टेल दैट इन दिस वीडियो. आई एम जस्ट गोना टेल यू द ट्रांसफ्यूजन मेडिसिन का स्केलेटन बताने वाली हूँ इस वीडियो में. अंदर की बात हम कभी और करेंगे. बट या, दिस ब्रांच डील्स विद एवरीथिंग रिलेटेड टू blood components, component therapy, apheresis, cellular therapies, stem cell processing, or patient blood management, or transfusion practices or transfusion support in any critical or ICU patients, and also coagulation therapy to some extent. So doctors who are interested in lab plus medicine plus hematology plus oncology, relevant transfusion support, so you can opt for this branch, because this branch is rewarded as paraclinical as well as clinical hybrid. I have done my transfusion medicine post graduation from JIPMER. So JIPMER में तो this comes under the clinical category if you see the website. Courses available. So you have MD courses, you have DNB courses, and some institute gives you diploma also. So आपके पास में MD, DNB, diploma तीनों courses available है. बट लोगों को ना स्टाइपेंड में बहुत इंटरेस्ट होता है, बिकॉज दे विल ऑलवेज ड्रॉप अ कमेंट रिलेटेड टू व्हाट यू आर अर्निंग एंड हाउ मच यू आर अर्निंग. सो या, अगर आप बहुत अच्छे इंस्टीट्यूट से कर रहे हो तो इट इज ऑब्वियसली गोइंग टू बी 120, 110. अगर आप एवरेज इंस्टीट्यूट से कर रहे हो देन ऑल्सो यू विल ईजिली गेट 90, 1 lakh plus salary, which I am saying minimum. If you're a pass out and you're a professor somewhere, or you have like 1 or 2 years ka experience, you will easily earn more than 3 lakhs. So you will have fellowship options, and these can be online as well as offline. So some are like 1 year fellowship, some is like 6 year fellowship, 6 months fellowship. So you have options in like apheresis or patient blood management or cellular therapies में you can do fellowship even in India and in abroad. कहीं पे भी आप जा सकते हो, USA, न्यूयॉर्क एंड स्विट्जरलैंड. आप यहाँ पे कहीं पे भी जाके फेलोशिप कर सकते हैं. Struggling with job recruitment going to grow significantly and traditional blood banking is fading out. As DLI is there, something called as CAR-T therapies are there. तो तभी आपका जो सेंटर है वो ग्रो कर पाएगा. The career demand is going to be like this. Pros and cons of the field.